strokes, heart attacks, death, blood clots, legs not working, potential MS, potential Parkinson's, potential dementia, memory loss, pain worsening, fiery nerves, babies being unable to settle with gut pain, migraines that just don't go away, joint pain, burning mouth, lips, tongue, unable to stand on the feet without feeling balanced, um, 8-month pregnant woman, lung clots, acute onset endometriosis, acute onset ovarian cysts and ovarian clotting, it's been that sort of a month or two, so it's an interesting time being a therapist on the planet. And as Forrest Gump once said, that's all I have to say about that. Okay, so part 2, I just need to diffuse some of this dense energy. I'm sure you're seeing all of this in the world around. For whatever reason you give it, it doesn't matter what the reason, because, there's two sides of the fence. Depending on where you sit and where you believe things are at, depends what cause we're giving these things. So, okay, let's get in and just help to heal a little and move some of this dense energy, get out of this third dimension plane that is keeping us under control. Okay, time to shine. Okay, thanks.